Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and it is Tuesday night, so that means it is Whoop night here in Longmont, Colorado at the Wild Game. And tonight is my track. I designed it. So I'm going to take you guys through and show you the track. So our track starts down here, and then we're going to go up through this gate, and then we're going to hit this gate here in the middle, straight back to that gate, swing around the table, come down, back, come back through here. Once we go through here, we're going to go up through here, straight down there, back around, and then back.
Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town.